In the world of IPOs, another one is all set to hit the street, and yet again it's the specialty chemical space which is going to see a new entrant. AMI Organics IPO will open for subscription on September 1st, and here are 9 key things that you must know about it before subscribing to this issue. Now, this chemical maker plans to raise about 570 crore rupees through this maiden issue. This offer will open for subscription on September 1st and the bidding will close on September 3rd. Now, the price band for the Gujarat-based company has been fixed at 603 to 610 rupees per equity share, having a face value of 10 rupees per share. Now, investors like you and me, we can bid for a minimum of 24 equity shares and then in multiples thereafter, translating to a minimum bidding amount of 14,640 rupees, and that's at the higher end of the price band. And retail investors can at maximum apply for 13 lots that will equal to 312 equity shares for 1,90,320 rupees. Now, as for the issue size, this 569.64 crore rupees public offer comprises of a fresh issuance of 200 crore rupees and an offer for sale of 60,59,600 shares, totaling to 369.64 crore rupees, and that is by promoters and also the existing shareholders. Now, the company has reduced its fresh issue size to 200 crore rupees from the earlier planned 300 crore rupees, and that is after the fundraising of 100 crore rupees in a pre-IPO placement as well. So what's the company really going to do with all the funds that is being raised? Well, the net proceeds from this fresh issue and the funds from the pre-IPO placement, that is 100 crore rupees, will be utilized to repay the debt of the company of about 140 crore rupees, that is on the books, and also for working capital requirements of about 90 crore rupees, and then for general corporate purposes as well. The proceeds of this offer for sale will also be received by the selling shareholders, and the company will not be receiving any proceeds of the offer for sale. And now, here's more about the company that you should know. AMI Organics is one of the leading research and development driven manufacturers of the specialty chemicals. The company manufactures different types of active pharmaceutical ingredients or APIs for new chemical entities and materials for agrochemicals and fine chemicals as well. The company has developed over 450 pharma intermediaries across 17 key therapeutic areas, and its customers are spread all across India, Europe, US, China, Israel, Japan, and even Latin America. And companies such as Laurus Labs, Cadila Healthcare and Cipla are some of the domestic customers that it has, apart from the international customers. Now, the company also has 3 manufacturing facilities, and that is in Gujarat with an aggregate installed capacity of over 6,000 million tons per annum. Now, as for the company's financials, AMI Organics has registered a growth in revenue of about CAGR of 19.5% in the duration of FY19 to FY21 to a total of 340 crore rupees, and during the same period the company's profits also more than doubled to 54 crore rupees in FY21. Now, as for the strengths of the company has a strong, well-diversified product portfolio, extensive geographical presence, high entry barriers in the chemicals manufacturing industry, strong sales, marketing, distribution capabilities, and experienced and dedicated management team as well. It also has a strong balance sheet and stable cash flows. So what is in it for retail investors like you and me in this issue? Well, not more than 50% of the total offer has been reserved for the qualified institutional buyers. There's a 15% reservation for the non-institutional buyers, and 35% of the issue is reserved for the retail investors. So the portion size is good. The issue is likely to be finalized on the basis of allotment by September 8. The refunds will also take place for the non-lucky ones by September 9, while the credit of the equity shares to depository accounts of the allottees, those are the lucky allottees, will be done on September 13th. Now, the company is also expected to make a stock market debut on September 14th of 2021. So these were the 9 key things that you needed to know about AMI Organics IPO. And for more such videos on IPOs, you need to subscribe to Money9's YouTube channel.